MultiTool, getting cut out on multicam V-series plasma.
So I'd like to introduce my experimental new trail maintenance tool. After doing a few trail work sessions, I found that it's kind of difficult carrying a pickaxe, a McLeod, and another tool to tamp down the soil. So I came up with this idea to make a multi-tool. So this video you're going to see the multicam plasma cutting out some 1/4-inch plate. That plate then is welded onto a pipe, and that pipe's then fastened onto a wooden handle. I haven't had a chance to try the tool out yet, but hopefully it'll perform well as I think it will. Anyway, enjoy the video, and I'll let you know later how the tool works.